Computer. Okay. So good evening to all and everyone once again. The recording has started. Last Saturday, among so many things that we discussed, there was a requirement from students to talk about time management, how to prepare for IIT, and things like that, right? So I am going to talk about students who are doing time management. Okay, students who I will be talking about time management, particularly for the high school students. Okay, why do you think that I am qualified to talk about time management? I feel that I am qualified to talk about time management because I am a very lazy person. I have Anil, अरे अनिल आ गया है. अनिल कुणाल को दिया है दोस्त मैंने लिंक. I have given the link to Kunal long back. I can see it. And it is in the same chat box in which I have spoken to him. Yes, Tulsi, you are right. Lazy, successful person. You remember what I spoke last Saturday, right? So Anil, you try to call your son, dost. Meri phati padi hai idhar. You can see 198 people, 200 people multiplied by 3, Anil. 600 लोगों के सामने ये पोपट बना रहा है मेरा तेरा बेटा. Okay. So खुशी हंस रही है. अरे अनिल ये दाढ़ी वाड़ी लगा के मस्त लग रहा है अनिल. You're looking very smart. Okay, so till the time we wait for Kunal, Anil will try to get him online. But last time we discussed about time management and why I should talk about time management, because I am lazy. Okay, and lazy people often land up learning time management faster. Okay, because people who are hardworking, they don't, okay, people, they are hardworking, which means what? They work for a lot of time. They are like those people who have lot of money, right? Do moneyed people have to learn about conjugacy? No. Yes, the poor people need to learn how to be working with lesser amount of money. Similarly, lazy people need to have time management skills. Okay, now that's on a lighter side, or maybe not lot on lighter side. मुझे parents का शक्ल देख के बहुत डर लग रहा है कि ये लोग मुझे मारेंगे कि मैं बच्चों को क्या सिखा रहा हूँ. But trust me guys, ये बच्चे बहुत smart है यार. ये समझ जाते हैं कि when sir बोलते हैं lazy, everybody has said lazy and ambitious, lazy and successful. You get my point? And yes, I mean every word of it when I say that it pays to be a little lazy to learn time management in a wonderful way. Okay, so while I will be very attentive towards my chat, looking for answer, whether Kunal comes online, I will talk about time management. And this is not from any textbook, okay? This is from my personal experience, bolo, ya, my personal ideas, which I have developed over a period of time as a lazy man, as to how to manage my time. The first thing, and I will incorporate some of my other favorite concepts also in this. I will try to give you the best. The first thing is, what is it that we want to achieve? That we want, okay, that what is it that we want? Okay, what is the core? What is the core? You can't say I want to be a Sachin Tendulkar and Shah Rukh Khan at the same time, because the target itself is wrong. You can't be a film star and a cricketing star at the same time, right? So what is the core of what we want to achieve? Once we identify that core and we are passionate about it, only then there will be a possibility of time management around it. Okay. Particularly from a high school point of view, particularly from a high school student's point of view, okay. This is the diameter of the top of the vessel. आ गया कुणाल. कुणाल बैठा रहे, अभी थोड़ा देर बैठा रहे. I will at least complete this concept and then we will move to Kunal. This is a 20-liter vessel and this has a tip which has a diameter of 1 centimeter. Okay? And you have to fill it up. You have to fill it up to the top. All the 20 liters. What will you do? What will you do with this vessel? How will you fill it up? Tell me. Some ideas? Hold it where? Where will you hold this 20-liter vessel? Come on, yeah. Don't sit like that. Answer. A capacity is 20 liter. The top of this vessel has a diameter of 1 centimeter. Stick a hose in it, right? Make another hole. Okay. So you will put it under a tap, submerge it completely in water. It will take a long time to fill it up. It will take a long time to fill it up. Sarah Shinde, hold it in a tub full of water. Yes, it will still take a long time. Now, comparatively, if I give you a drum with a capacity of 20 liter, this is A, this is B, which one will be filled faster? Which one will be filled faster? B, obviously B, obviously B. And what are we trying to learn about, boys and girls? What are we trying to learn about? We are learning about time management, right? So which one is lesser time? Which one is lesser time? B, right? Which will take a longer time? A, right? So the first rule of time management is be the vessel B instead of a vessel A. Now, what do I mean by that? What do I mean by that? Is there is a certain amount of grasping that we have of a particular subject. If you are studying physics, and if your physics ka vessel is like this, where, okay, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा जोर से बात कर रहा हूँ, as if I actually visualize that I'm in front of 600 people. Stupid me. Why am I not using the technology? Okay. So, if you want to be this to this, then the first thing that you need to do is increase learning speed. Now you have never measured your learning speed, so you don't know what is time management. So what the hell is your learning speed? Nobody knows. Yahoo! सब लोग 16 साल से पढ़ रहे हो. सब लोग 16 साल से पढ़ रहे हो. If I ask you, what the hell is your learning speed? You don't know, because we have done so many advances, but we haven't yet calculated a meter which will help identify what is your learning speed. So this cannot be measured. I will quickly finish this, but I want to talk about this. Wait, this cannot be measured. Agreed. But do you agree? Okay, चलो एक किसी को तो पकड़ता हूं मैं. किसको पकड़ूं? प्रवर. प्रवर सुन ही नहीं रहा. प्रवर कोचर. प्रवर, what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? Physics and computers. So Pravar ka favorite subjects are physics and computer. And what is your most boring subject for you? Most boring subject for you? What does SST stand for? Social science kind of thing? Social studies. Now, Pravar, my question to you is, though you know that we cannot measure the learning speed, do you feel that your learning of physics and computer is much faster than your learning of social studies, which may be a little slower? Do you agree with me or no? Absolutely, he says. Absolutely is what he says. So though we cannot identify the learning speed, now this is last but most important final interest. Yeah, last thing, listen to me. Don't chat with me. Quietly concentrate and listen. Though mankind has not found a technology to measure learning speed, we at least know that we learn the subjects that we love much faster than the subjects that we don't love. So I give you two options, idiots. I give you two options. Either study only those subjects that you love, or you love all the subjects that you have to study. Either of the two. तो या तो जो लड़की से प्यार है उससे शादी कर, या जिससे शादी हो चुका है उससे चुपचाप प्यार कर, बकवास मत कर. अच्छा, उससे प्यार करना किसके फायदे में है भाई लोग? तुम्हारे ही फायदे में है, क्योंकि प्यार करेगा तो जल्दी भरेगा, जल्दी निकल जाएगा. प्यार नहीं करेगा तो नल के नीचे लेके बैठना पड़ेगा सुबह से लेके शाम तक. Yes or no? You understand my point? So my first concept of time management is every cliche, absolute cliche and nonsense is everybody should do what they love. What kind of a nonsense is that? Everybody should do what they love. Right? On the YouTube, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, you must have seen so many videos. Follow your passion, do what you love, and all that crap. I do not agree. Why? Because if somebody asks me, Mr. Shah, do what you love. I love to make movies. I genuinely love to make movies. तो क्या तुम लोग का काम छोड़ के मूवीज बनाते बैठूं? बनाने को निकला था 3-4 साल पहले, तुमको नहीं मालूम है. 2 हफ्ते में वापस आ गया. 2 हफ्ता भी नहीं, 4 या 5 दिन में वापस आ गया. वो स्टोरी कभी याद दिलाना, मैं बताऊंगा आपको पूरी स्टोरी. How in 2016 I almost gave up this activity and went into full-time movie making for 5 days and came back to this activity. ये स्टोरी पूछना सीखने जैसा है. ठीक है? So the one thing that I want to tell you is, if you want to have time management about studies, then love the bloody subject. Yeah. Love the subject. Or sir, this is not a subject that I love. Fine. You fall in love with that subject compulsively. Why? Because I'm a very selfish guy. Why will I love social studies? Because I'm an extremely selfish guy. Siddharth, how? How? I will tell you. Love is in your control, Siddharth. ये तेरा प्यार है, तेरे को किसको देना है तेरे ऊपर है. You can actually try this. Try this. Identify a person in your class that you hate. And one day you decide, I'm going to love him. You don't expect a love back from him. I'm going to love him. I'm going to be friendly with him. 4 दिन में you can bring yourself to like that guy. Bring yourself to like that guy. Whether he will like you back, I'm not guaranteed. Yes. Aryant Jain is saying that love is an active choice. Yes. Love is an active choice. You understand my point? अच्छा, मैं सोशल स्टडीज को प्यार करने को बोल रहा हूं. Is it because I want to develop you into a Sant Mahatma? No way. I don't want to develop you into a Sant Mahatma. I am just saying सोशल स्टडीज से प्यार कर तो सोशल स्टडीज में अच्छा मार्क कम पढ़ाई करने में मिलेगा, कम पढ़ाई करके. बाकी टाइम PS4 खेल यार. So I am asking you to love social studies like a गुज्जू बनिया यार. आप किसी गुज्जू के दुकान में गए हो कभी? Have you gone to a गुज्जू shop or a Sindhi guy's shop or a Marwadi guy's shop? He loves you. अरे आइए भाई साहब, कैसे हैं आप? क्या लेंगे आप? चाय लेंगे क्या? ठंडा लेंगे क्या? ये शर्ट देखिए, वो शर्ट देखिए. एक बार 5,000 रुपए का इनवॉइस बना दिया, द गुज्जू इज हैप्पी. अब वो कस्टमर जाने के बाद वो गुज्जू को पूछो, इतना बदतमीज आदमी से तो इतना सॉफ्टली क्यों बात किया? बोलता है यार धंधा हो गया ना, बात खत्म. So I am not telling you to love social studies for the rest of your life. But if you are stuck with social studies for this year, it makes more sense to love it and finish it. Yeah. You agree with that Gujju guy or no? That's it. So that is my first concept of a good time management. दुश्मन को ही दोस्त बना दो तो दुश्मनी ही खत्म. And in my next session, कुणाल से बात करने के बाद, I will tell you कि एक बार दोस्ती होने के बाद बराबर डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट कैसा सिंपल लगने लगता है. और फिर जो सब्जेक्ट को 10 घंटा पढ़ाई करके, द सब्जेक्ट दैट यू हैव टू स्टडी फॉर 10 hours to get 80 marks, you can study that subject for 3 bloody hours and get 85 marks. We है. चलो, तो that is my first thing. मेरा स्टोरी अभी तक पूरा नहीं हुआ है. I want to tell you more things about time management, and I want to tell you about the shop that you have. Okay, so on that I will take a quick commercial break and we will talk about today's guest. All right, so yes, I will have to unmute you दोस्त. I will unmute you. पहले तेरे को थोड़ा सजा दूंगा मैं. मेरी जो बैंड बजा दी तूने आज, 216 into 3, 648 people, Kunal in front of me, and I'm worried sick. Where is Kunal? Anyway, I'm never worried. Did I not handle it very well, all of you? Was I tense? घंटे का tense. You are my students, yeah. You are my family. तुम लोग थोड़ी बुरा मानने वाले हो. So कोई तकलीफ ही नहीं था. Kunal Shamdasani, boys and girls, is one of my sweetest students, and I mean every word of what I say. One of my blue-eyed boys, because he also happens to be the son of Anil Shamdasani. So before I talk about Kunal Shamdasani, I will talk about Anil Shamdasani. Okay? You will be surprised, Kunal's father Anil has been my student. There was a time in my life I used to teach chartered accountancy students. And Anil was my student for CA final. And mere student ka beta, Kunal, is my student. Anil, even today I say, is one of the brightest kids that I have ever trained in my life. अनिल को CA फाइनल पढ़ाने को मेरे को इतना मजा आया है. कि I should be paying Anil for allowing him to teach. क्योंकि जितना फास्ट मैं सोच सकता था उतना फास्ट अनिल में लेने का कैपेसिटी था. As a teacher, as a young teacher, as a 50-year-old teacher, I'm much like today. When I was a teacher at the age of 23, as a rank holder chartered accountant, I was a hated teacher. I was a hated teacher because A, I was short-tempered. I used to throw duster on anybody, boy or a girl, if they don't understand it. 2, I was impatient. I was extremely fast in my calculations and I expected my students to learn equally fast. Now, not every student could match up with my speed, and that's why they used to hate me. But if there was somebody who could match up with my phenomenal speed at that time, it was Anil. And because he used to match my speed, the entire class used to be a match, a tennis match between me and Anil. Other students were just spectators, getting angry on both of us. कि ये लोग दोनों ही आपस में क्या खुसर पुसर करते हैं मालूम नहीं, हमको तो कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आता. And one of those other students was my wife. I mean, the girl I was dating, who happens to be my wife today. She even today tells me that you were a very impartial teacher towards Anil and you never bothered about other students. So that is Anil Shamdasani for you. Anil's son Kunal, okay, is born truly with a silver spoon in his mouth, because whether you agree or not, even Anil is born with a silver spoon in his mouth. अनिल एक ऐसा आदमी था, मुझे अभी भी याद है, चेरी रेड कलर की मारुति 1000 लेके हमारे मिडिल क्लास कॉलोनी में आता था और हम लोग उसको ऐसा देखते थे जैसे शाहरुख खान हमारे कॉलोनी में आया, क्योंकि मारुति 1000 ओन करने वाला ये एक ही लड़का हमको जानता था. So Anil is born with a silver spoon in his mouth. So Kunal is born probably with a golden spoon in his mouth. And Kunal is studying with 100% scholarship. With 100% scholarship in University of Arizona for the last less than 1 year. The reason why I have called Kunal is to show a 19-year-old kid to all the parents who are sitting here. I don't know whether he is 19 now or he's still not 19. Kunal, you can tell me in the chat whether you are 19 or you are still not 19. Okay. 19-year-old bacha tells his family that I am not going to come back to India in the lockdown. I am going to stay back in the university. Okay. And he is looking after himself. He is studying. He is doing all different kind of things. I don't have any shame in saying this in front of 600 people, that every student in this room is an extremely capable student. The problem is their parents don't understand that. Their parents don't understand that. Or 16 saal ke baad, after the age of 16, the biggest threat to the potential of a child is his parents. I want to show it to you. ये 19 साल का बच्चा, एक और बैठा है न्यूयॉर्क में, मानव तिलवानी, वो भी 19 साल का है. इनकी मम्मियां इनके बच्चों को, these mothers wouldn't have let their children go downstairs to get a loaf of bread in the lockdown, but they are forced to have their children in a new country fending for themselves. And the kids are doing so brilliant that it shows the capacity of these people. Okay. So we will now talk to Anil on various things. So I will change the view to speaker view. Yes, this is a better view, but I can see so many webcams and I'm very happy. Anil has just, Kunal has turned 19 in the month of May. So very recently he has had his birthday, 19th birthday. So Kunal, thank you very much for coming late and scaring the hell out of me.
Sorry sir, I had some connectivity issues और डैड का फोन आया, बोला तू मीटिंग में नहीं आया, मतलब मेरे पास कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, फिर देखा मेरे पास सारे मैसेजेस आ गए. So थोड़ा late हो गया. Sorry
No,
about that.
no problem. So Kunal, which university are you studying in?
So University of Arizona, Eller College of Management,
Okay,
with alongside honors college.
honors college. Okay, and what program are you pursuing?
So I'm pursuing finance, might double major in MIS. It's with the honors college and it's a 4-year program.
Okay, so tell me how the whole journey started.
So there are pieces to it. Round until 11th end, I did not even know कि मैं US आऊँगा. In fact, until 12th end, I did not know कि मैं US पक्का आऊँगा या नहीं आऊँगा. So it started off with me just trying to look up career opportunities, things like that. And I realized कि the opportunities that I have in the US are different from the ones that I have in India. And I asked myself whether I could pursue education in the US and what it would entail. So I came to know ki, okay, SAT is mandatory, XYZ is there. And luckily I had a cousin outside who's very close to me, Harsh. His sister and his mother is still on call here. I can see them. And he was your student as well.
Yes.
So I was in touch with him. I asked him how he went about it. And then I started. Now, I would have done a few things differently. I gave the SAT on myself. I did everything starting off. And it was a lot of work, of course, for somebody who was handling ISC 12th and in SAT together. It was very tough.
Yeah.
But then I did it to a certain extent. I came to a point, but I was still not feeling satisfied. I was like, ki, career opportunities hai, but I feel I'm still paying way too much for the education, this and that. And then there was a stroke of luck. Dad met you at some wedding and he wouldn't stop talking about you that night. He was like, nahi, jana hi jana hai uske paas. And you left for Dubai, so I had to make sure कि मैं वो एक week तक वो जो conversation थी वो उनके mind में रखूं कि नहीं जाना ही जाना है. And at the time it was looking honestly 2080 कि 20 हाँ जाऊंगा, जबकि I was getting admissions from good universities, not the best universities of course, but still decent enough universities. And then we came and met you and you were like कि छोड़ो ये सब, मैं बताता हूँ क्या करना है. And honestly, the second I came out that day, I knew कि the probability of me going to the US had drastically shifted because of the fact कि the insecurities that I had, of the insecurities that my mother had, were solved to a certain degree. And I know it would have only gotten clearer moving ahead. So that is what my journey was like. I am obviously leaving down a lot of things, but I feel like we'll cover it over the course of the conversation.
Yes. Niharika said, why don't I put a spotlight on you? So guys, you also can change the view of this. Instead of gallery view, you can put a speaker view. So when I'm speaking, you will see me on the big screen. When Kunal is speaking, you will see him on the big screen. Like I have already done that for myself, but this is a setting that you people can do. So if you can see a crowded screen in front of you, change it to a speaker view so that you can do it. A few things Kunal said in a very humble way, but when he came to me, he already had admits from fantastic universities like Indiana Bloomington, you had an admission, right?
Yes, sir.
And Kelly School, he had an admit, and some very good admits he had. The problem is the admits were not with scholarship. And when I met his father and we talked, I said, nahi, hum Kunal ko scholarship ke saath bhejenge. Because Anil was also my student, he obviously had a lot of faith in me and he came to me. And then we applied to some universities and we got scholarship opportunities. But I think the highest that we got was from University of Arizona. And then that's how he came to University of Arizona. Why I call this guy as one of my favorite students is, in spite of coming from an extremely financially stable background, I never saw that greed of spending money on education. Okay, he was very clear that I want to study maximum on my own. and I want to have the least burden on my parents. This is something which I really appreciated in that young man who came from a very comfortable financial background, but was very, very responsible, was very good in his studies, like his father. Had done reasonably well on SAT, I think with a score of 1400 plus, Kunal?
Yes, sir. 1440, I think,
14.
somewhere around that range.
Right, right. So that's what he is, and that's how he decided to go about it. And so, Kunal, with 1440, and I remember discussing with you, because everybody who tries to do it on their own or by Google are mesmerized with Kelly School and with Harvard and Stanford and Penn State and UIUC and UC Berkeley and UCLA and all that kind of thing. Now, Kunal, you are not in any one of those places, right? And if you wanted, you could have afforded to be in any one of these or most of these places. I wouldn't say any one of these, but most of these places. After spending 1 year now, a good 1 year, okay, what do you think makes more sense, being there or being here, kind of a thing?
Sir, I'll take this question in two halves. One as to why we as students are mesmerized, and second as to why we shouldn't. The first part of it, when we see the US, we think of opportunities, but those opportunities only for us in our heads come with great universities. And when we say great universities, we think those great universities are the only ones that are great are the ones that we know of, which is not true, because US has over 2,000 universities, and aside of 2,000, even if you take 10% being great, the top 10% would be 200 universities.
Exactly.
And we are thinking of only 7 universities when we are thinking of US. So I think we are being in fact, way too selective in our choices. And the problem with those universities, those great universities, is that they don't focus on their undergraduate students.
Wow.
There is a very close friend of mine from India. He was studying a hardcore science subject, Earth and Planetary Sciences. He was in the #1 university for that course in the world. He went there. He was doing fine. His grades were fine, but he was like, I'm not able to get the education that I really wanted. I could have achieved this even with Google or YouTube, because that's what 90% of my course is like. And the reason behind that was he was being taught by his teaching assistants, which are majorly graduate students. So if you're going to a university like that and you're paying such high tuition rates, why would you not expect a great professor to teach you? Now, those universities tend to focus on their graduate students more, because that is where, one, they get most of their alumni. Those big alumni that you hear of are mostly graduate students. They're not undergraduate students. That is where they pool in their resources. Whereas a university like mine, or an Arizona State University for that matter, will focus on students irrespective of whether they are undergraduates or graduates, so as to make sure that in the future these students carry on their name.
Yay.
Because they don't have to build it like, these big universities don't have to build it like our universities.
Exactly. I love that. The big universities are like Salman Khan, and the small universities are like Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Now, if you want to make a movie, whom will you sign up, Salman Khan or Nawazuddin Siddiqui? If you want to make a good movie, you will rather sign a Nawazuddin Siddiqui, because he will fucking work hard to get your message across to the society. Salman Khan bolega, bhai, aapun to aisa hi karega. That kind of a thing. So, Kunal, you almost spoke exactly all the words that I speak. And I thought that kind of, whether am I speaking from your mouth kind of a thing. So these same things, the teaching assistants take the undergraduate classes. Okay, these are not the universities to go for undergraduate programs. University of Arizona kind of universities will take a lot of interest in undergraduate students, which a Kelly School or UC Berkeley will not take on undergraduate students is something which is really very inspiring. So we talked about what happened before coming to India, to US, and what happened after going to US. Of course, we will ask more questions about that. So what happened after the lockdown? Why did you not come back to India, Kunal? Okay, before you start answering, for the benefit of all the parents, Kunal's mom is, I'm sure she must have lost 5-7 kilos by now already. Kunal's mom is a very, very doting Delhi girl. Okay, her world revolves around her son. I'm sure she is right now listening to me, and her eyes may be wet. And when Kunal decided to stay back in America, the first thing that I visualized is what will be the reaction of her mother. Okay, we probably will ask some questions to mother also. But Kunal, why did you not come to India in the lockdown, and why did you decide to stay back?
Sir, there are a couple of reasons why. First, now in US, we have a concept called spring break, where the university shuts down for a week.
Yeah.
And that was the very week that every university was informed that they have to close. And my university was initially like, okay, we'll close for a certain period of 2 weeks, and then we will open right back up. So anybody that is leaving, make sure that you're back when the university opens right back up. So I was like, okay, perfect. And this was happening across March 17th or 18th, I'm going to say. And at the time, I was like, the problem is that when you visualize any crisis for that matter in US, we tend to see it as all encompassing. So at the time, it was only happening in New York. Nothing really was happening in Arizona. So the streets were fine. In fact, even during majority of the lockdown, any resources that we needed was readily available. So I was not facing any difficulties as such at that point. And so I told my parents, if it gets extended beyond that, we'll see. Maybe I'll come back. But then when it got extended, even India closed its borders. And especially first it was only OCI cannot come back. And then it was everybody cannot come back. So that was when it became impossible, really. So I had to adjust with US, and there were a couple of things which I had to take care of. It was my dorms were, closing down, but the dorms really took care of me. On that point, the university really took care of us. It was in fact to an extent where all of us were in dorms with our roommates. But then the university decided, okay, no, enough students have left. We have enough spaces for everyone to place them in individual rooms, give them individual washrooms, and let them live. So they gave us all rooms in the fanciest apartments without taking any extra money from us. So we were paying the same money that we were paying throughout the year for 2-bedroom spaces, and we were shifted into luxury apartments. So the university really took care of us. But then I knew that if I have to stay back here after May, I have to get into an apartment. So that I was able to manage because, luckily I said things were operational at that point. And then eventually I saw that, do I want to live in a rural area in US, which hardly has any cases and is safe enough? Or do I want to travel to India, possibly take risks in the process, go back to Mumbai? And, even with my parents, we also have grandparents there. So I don't want, first of all, them to be safe. I don't want to be the carrier of the virus, at least. So those are the reasons why I'm here. I was still planning to come back to India last month and even July, but I don't think it looks likely. Okay. But at the same time, even I'm waiting to go back.
So did you ever feel desperate? Did you ever feel regretting to leave home and going all the way to US and I cannot manage this papa, I cannot manage this mama, or something like that?
No, sir, not really. I think one of the key reasons why I was able to adjust so easily is because I think of everything in a very marginal way. So what I mean by that is, if I want to do X, I will not think of X, but I'll think of the steps involved for X.
Right.
And then you climb those steps slowly. So in the process, you don't get to know when you reach that particular point that you were aiming for. True. So that is what I did. I was like, okay, first goal, I have to get a job. and I have to manage my grades. So these two things I have to prioritize. Once I have those, then I have to make sure that I'm, in constant connection with my family. My grades are doing great and my professors know me and I get introduced to alumni. And I focus on the career field that I want to choose. So everything has taken, its own time and its own step, because I'm not looking at something very specific at the end. I have been able to do it easily and calmly. So I've adjusted properly, honestly.
Lovely. So you actually did a job in the first semester also?
Yes, sir. I came here in August and my job started in September. I honestly, the job process, when we think of it, we think of the only availability, especially with respect to parents, is like the only available jobs are gonna be either he's gonna flip burgers or he's gonna do that. And a lot of students do that, and there is no shame in doing that. Absolutely not. In fact, if I had applied for jobs like those as well, if I would have gotten those, I would have done them. But that is not the only job that you can get. I was a paid mathematics teacher for my university, and let me tell you, maths is not my favorite subject.
Right.
I still teach math for my university. It's a part-time job within the university departments. In fact, I have a second job starting next semester where I'll be teaching personal finance to middle school and high school students with the university. So luckily, things panned out for me, but that doesn't mean that, I had other opportunities in which I failed in the interviews, or some of them did not even take in my, resumes.
That's okay.
So that's also possible. But the key point is to just, keep going after it.
So you're already on a very high scholarship, plus you're doing a job. How many hours a week average?
So the first semester, actually, I took a heavy load, 16, 17 hours. Second semester, around 10 hours a week. Okay. Not a lot.
And what has been your GPA in the 2 semesters?
4.0, sir. Both semesters. No.
So
no
guys, full scholarship, full GPA, full workload, away from the family for the first time. Before coming to US, how many days you must have stayed away from family in your life?
So there was one trip to Europe. When I came back, my mom promised herself that she was not sending me anywhere alone. And even then, in that trip, I was with my grandparents. Okay. And then I spent 3 days in Nagpur alone. That is it.
That is it. And again, think of it, coming from a, why will you not like this guy? Can anybody give me a reason not to like him? Coming from such comfortably placed family, never been out of the house, never been away from the family, a doting grandson to his grandpa. There are a lot of similarities between Anil's family and my family. Both my children are also brought up by my parents. So I know how much my children love their grandparents. Why will you not like him? Why will you not feel that, he should be meeting all my 213 students who are there in this meeting? So about 600 people. Anil, you owe me a good dinner for this man. Visualize that हम षणमुखानंद हॉल में बैठे हैं और स्टेज पे मैं और तेरा बेटा बात कर रहे हैं और 600 आदमी लोग ध्यान से सुन रहे हैं यार. इससे बढ़िया और क्या हो सकता? Look at the mother crying. Would you like to say something, Anil? I am unmuting you. One sec. Are you unmuted? You can unmute yourself also. And if she is done with crying, she can speak a bit. Can you unmute yourself and Sanjana, more than hardworking person, he is a smart working person, very balanced. उसको देख के शक्ल देख के लगता है कि hardworking person है करके. बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. प्लान रहने का. संजना, हार्ड वर्क लाइफ में कभी नहीं करने का. हार्ड वर्क येड़े लोग करते हैं. मैं, अनिल, कुणाल, हम लोग स्मार्ट वर्क करेंगे. हमको सब चाहिए लाइफ में. हमको वी वांट एवरीथिंग. वी वांट टू बोर आवर चिल्ड्रन that we are self-made people. Kunal had a threat कि साला मैं अपने बच्चे लोग को क्या स्टोरी बताएगा कि मेरे माँ बाप ने और दादा दादी ने मेरे को बड़ा किया एंड you know I didn't have to do any work in my life. No, I want to have those experiences also. So Anil, can we hear you? We can't hear you. I don't know, you are struggling with your hardware, Anil, so we'll wait for you to do you have any questions for him, all the students? Now you can unmute yourself, but please raise your hand before unmuting. Don't just unmute, please, please, otherwise I will restrict everybody's thing. You can raise your hand and I will unmute you. Yes, Riddhi, he is very impressive talking because yeah, he's a smart guy. I won't say he's an exceptionally intelligent person, but he has a very good emotional quotient. Pulkit has a question for you, and I have unmuted him. Pulkit, you also try to unmute yourself and try, see. Pulkit. Yes.
Shah sir, good evening. Hemant here, Pulkit's father.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Mr. Shah?
Good, sir. Good, sir. Good.
Very good insights by Kunal.
Yes.
And I liked how he explained, the things. Now, I just wanted to have one small question. As I was looking into the university list and all, I came across this university and I found this is very good university. But there are two universities in Arizona. One is the state and one is Arizona University. So is there any difference between two, or which is better? I just wanted to ask this.
So should I answer?
Yeah, please, please.
Yeah, Kunal.
Sure. So those are actually completely different universities. You're right. The Arizona State University is located in the capital city of Arizona, so it's a more metropolitan location, which makes it less of a campus. So that means students themselves, it's sort of like a New York University where students won't be able to live out their campus life, which I feel is a very important part of the experience. Whereas University of Arizona is located in a college city almost. And this entire city is focused on students from University of Arizona because the economy runs on us, basically. Okay. So I feel it's a more immersive experience. With that being said, the academics of U of A are great in terms of business studies, business acumen. ASU is known for its engineering students and the science faculty. Correct. So there are those differences as well.
Right. Viha's parents have a question. Viha's parents. That's a very nice way of naming yourself. Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I would actually want to know how important or not important is for a child to know like what his interest is. Like at what stage should the child know?
Lovely question. Kunal, please answer.
That's a great question. That's one of the questions that I only was able to figure out the answer to once I was in US, because everyone kept telling me US may you can choose, US may you can do that, and I will also tell you the same thing. The important thing is that a lot of students here come undecided. They don't even declare their majors.
Yeah.
But US curriculum is such that you can have a full semester within the university with the credits without declaring your major. And oftentimes students switch their majors 2 years into the degree. So 2 years into a 4-year degree, you can decide what you want to pursue and completely take a switch. With that being said, if the student is pursuing a hard science major, I would want them to go ahead and do it from the start. But then again, even then they can switch. So that is one of the biggest positives that comes out from US education when we compare it to India per se.
Yeah, and I will like to jump in here a little. Viha's parents, उसने बहुत अच्छे, सारा ये मेरे से भी अच्छा तो ये explain कर रहा है आज. I have a tough competition. Somebody is beating me hollow in this game. But I will tell you, बहुत अच्छे से उसने बताया कि उसने भी ये सुना था और वही वो आपको बताने जा रहा है. आप भी ये सुनने वाले हो. But you are actually going to experience it once you reach there. That how easy it is and how desirable it is to decide on your major, to change your major, to try out different things. So please don't sweat your blood and sweat out. Oh, I have not decided what I want to do in my life. That's okay. Anna, my sweet student from Abu Dhabi, right now wants to do biotechnology or life sciences. After going there, she likes to do English literature. Kunal, she can very comfortably do it, right?
Yes, no problems at all.
Exactly. So easily you can do that. There are a few chat questions, Kunal, if you can read. There is one from Anushri Rao. What extracurricular activities added up for your 100% scholarship? That I should have answered, actually. Can I?
Yes, yes, sir, sure.
Anushri, are you from Pune? No. Where is my Pune girl whose mother has a very nice name? You're the one, Anushri? I like your mother's name. Her name is, can you tell me her name? Because I was thinking about, you two, and are you attending? Ah, yes, yes. Nupur Rao, yes. So I hope you are there, okay? Because you are all in my heart, okay? But I can't figure out within 200 people whether you are coming and all that kind of thing. Very good. Anil, I will unmute you in a 2 minutes time. Extracurricular and co-curricular activities are to be done by your own interest and not for getting scholarships, for God's sake. Okay, so if you are interested in playing tennis, go play tennis. If you are interested in playing guitar, go play guitar. If you are interested in teaching poor people, go teach poor people. Do not feel that there is a connection between your extracurricular and scholarship, and so you have to do it. Do what you feel like. Bring those activities to me. I will make use of those activities for you. Now, if you say, Mr. Shah, I don't feel like doing anything, don't do anything. I will rather have an honest person without any activities than a student performing to the gallery and making a mess out of it. Okay. So, Anushri, I've answered that question. Mukta Joshi's mother is saying, Kunal is extremely clear thinking child. Great to know such clarity exists at such an early age. Mukta Joshi, listen to me very carefully. And I repeat, ये 200 के 200 बच्चे महाभयंकर क्लैरिटी के साथ है. All the 200 people. There is not a single student in this room who has 1% lesser clarity than Kunal. 1%. मैंने पूरा जिंदगी इनके साथ काम किया है, तो तुम लोग मेरे को सिखाने को मत जाओ. I exactly know each one of these child are as clear as Kunal is. The problem is the parents don't trust them, and that's why the children themselves also do not know. Anil wants to say something, so I will be very happy to unmute Anil as a proud parent and his mom. Yes, Anil, you are unmuted. Can you?
Hi, sir.
Hey.
Sir, there are so many things I can tell. I mean, the lecture, people will get bored out of it. The only thing that I want to tell all the parents, all of them, Kunal got his admission through Sunil sir, obviously. Everything was done. His work was completed. And, we in fact had started shopping for his clothes and everything. One fine, it was 11:30 or 12 in the night. I was going to sleep and I got a call from a US number. And, I picked up the phone and Sunil sir was on the other side. And he told me, Kuch mat kar, abhi ka abhi, University of Arizona ke liye apply kar. That is the time, even today I realize, he's a person who will, always want the best. My son's file was closed, from his end, his admission was done and everything was fine.
I had forgotten this completely. Yeah, yes. Sala, you owe me a vacation. You owe me a vacation for this. Sala, for the dinner. Oh, yes.
Sir,
I remember.
We saved
I absolutely remember. Those, in the month of February end, I was on a road trip in the US and I was driving left and right of US like a zombie. And I reached this University of Arizona and I visit that campus and such wonderful girls. Oh my God. I mean, I actually felt like a college kid when I saw those toned bodies driving a bicycle. I felt I just landed in a Hollywood movie. I'm a part of a Hollywood movie. I came back to my hotel. I didn't care which time of the day it was. I called up Anil, I called up Nandu, and I called up my son. And these are the three boys. They were my students last year. Nikhil, my son, Kunal, Anil's son, and Manav, Nandu's son. And I said, I don't know whether our children will love this university, but we fathers will have a gala time looking at such pretty faces whenever we come to. Honestly, Kunal, I will be honest. And it's not something, it is the sheer activity of that campus, the beauty of that campus which inspired me. And I made him apply to the university on a gunpoint. Now, why aren't this? I remember just now. Oh my God, yes, I remember. And साला देखो, ना मेरे बेटे को इतना अच्छा scholarship मिला, ना नंदू के बेटे को इतना अच्छा scholarship मिला. So both of them are studying in different universities, and this guy landed up having all the cake. So I need a vacation.
Sir, we ended up saving almost $100,000.
Yes.
That is 75 lakh rupees.
नहीं, वो तेरा
Just
बच्चे.
one small change. I mean, that is the thing that I really respect you for. You know, till the end, you were there for us. Yes, abhi ye na ye decision lena, and you were the one who took the decision. And we are very happy with that.
अनिल, मेरे चेयर से कैसा दिखता है मालूम है ये दुनिया? मैं बताता हूँ. मैंने परसों किसी स्टूडेंट को भी बोला, वो शायद इस मीटिंग में रहेगा. I don't know whether he is there. उसके मम्मी पापा दोनों टीचर्स है. जो मुझे थोड़े दिन पांडे, सरनेम इज पांडे. Is he there in the meeting? Quickly tell me. Okay. प्लेयर जितना अच्छा होता है ना अनिल, उतना उसको कोच का जरूरत ज्यादा होता है. तू समझने का कोशिश कर.
Yes.
टीचिंग में और कोचिंग में एक बड़ा फर्क है. स्टूडेंट जितना अच्छा होता है उसको ट्यूटर का जरूरत नहीं होता है, वो खुद पढ़ लेगा. लेकिन प्लेयर जितना अच्छा होगा उतना उसको अच्छा कोच मिलना जरूरी है.
Yes.
इस केस में ध्रुव पांडे, is he there? They are in the meeting. Great. Twinkle, thank you very much, बच्चे. So this is what I was telling another very nice student called Dhruv Pandey, who's there in the meeting today. And he's also a brilliant guy. Yes, Dhruv. Kunal is also like you, Dhruv. कल मैं अभी ध्रुव को मिला. अभी मेरा प्रॉब्लम किधर होता है अनिल? Where my stress increases. Dhruv is कुणाल श्यामदासानी का कार्बन कॉपी. Okay, अच्छा पढ़ने वाला, अच्छा बच्चा, all that. Dreamy eyes, Harvard, Stanford, MIT, and all that kind of thing. Mother and father both are teachers, humble background, wonderful people. आधा घंटा में उनके साथ कल बात किया. They are yet to be my students. And I was telling them, please listen to me and take me with you in this process. अब होता ये है, parents को लगता है I am trying to market my services for getting another student.
Yes.
But Dhruv, it is what I could do for Anil, Kunal, is what I would like to do for you, Dhruv. And that's the reason why I feel that जितना player अच्छा होगा, उतना एक अच्छा coach जरूरी है for you to win the game of life. Anil, already I am a brag. Already I am very proud of what I do. You made me more brag by reminding me that story. That yes, it was February and I still remember that window जिसके ऊपर खड़ा रह के मैं तेरे से बात कर रहा था. Wonderful story, Anil. Thank you very much. Any other questions? Yeah, Anil.
No, sir. Continue. Please continue.
Okay. Any other questions for parents for Anil K? My daughter has represented her school in sports. Is this considered? Yes, it is a very important part of extracurricular activities. Sayyid Sir. Siddhi is asking, hi Kunal, other than Arizona University, which other universities were you on your list? हमने कहाँ apply किया था, याद है Kunal?
Sir, बहुत universities में apply किया था. I think there was Kani Baruch, there was IU Indiana University, there was IUPUI, which I almost went to, which was Indiana University, Purdue University at Indianapolis, and there was Sunny Baruch, there was Sunny Buffalo, I think.
Yeah,
and then there was Florida. I think there was
University of South Florida.
Yes.
University of जहाँ मैंने तुझे और निखिल को दोनों को अप्लाई किया and I sent Nikhil to University of South Florida. आयुषी का क्वेश्चन बहुत प्यारा है. What are the 3 aspects to achieve 4 GPA? Kunal.
there actually are lesser than 3 aspects. I'd say there are 2 aspects. One is, of course, focus on academics is very important. And, you have to submit things on time, be diligent in class, attend class, basically. That would be the key aspect. Attend class, submit things. Second, don't just focus on the 4 GPA. If you do that, it's almost like a black cat crossing the road. Wo ho jayega. If you just focus on that, then you'll not be able, aside of the 4 GPA, my most profound experiences in Arizona have been visiting the Grand Canyon, getting to know people from various backgrounds and adding their story to my arsenal, just to, think about it in the long run. Because whether you're aiming for a top grad school, whether you're aiming for, working with Microsoft or Goldman Sachs if you're studying finance, their cutoffs are 3.7, 3.8. Once that is done, they are not going to think about the GPA. What they're going to think about is your stories, your background, and what you gained from college aside of your academics. So yes, it's very important to do the 4 GPA, but just not focusing on it would get you better results than just keeping that in your mind.
Lovely. Beautiful answer. Om parents, how do you select the university? Om, I select the universities, bache. So I will be selecting them. Every year my list of universities keep changing, and I decide it mainly on the basis of where my students will get good scholarships. Because when you get a good scholarship, the university works for your success. Okay. Sania पूछ रही है, does the University of Arizona offer science? Oh my God, they have beautiful program.
Yes.
Many, Sania. I mean, Kunal is just one student. I have more than 20 students in University of Arizona. Acha, hey, listen, let me ask this. Amongst the 200 students who are there in this meeting, how many of you have 100% scholarship from Arizona for fall 2020? मेरे इंडिया और दुबई दोनों के बच्चों को है full scholarship. बताओ कौन कौन है? Hi Kunal, it's Vamika's mom. Yes, Kevin is having a 100% scholarship, so not a problem. It is Vamika's mom. Vamika dreamed to join university in US, UK, which has a swim team. Her criteria is to have an engineering university. So swim team, Harsh, Kunal.
Sir, हमारी university के पास, they have varsity athletes in every single sport, and they excel in some sports more than the others. Basketball is fantastic. I know a student who's a diver who was, the national champion in Canada 2 years consecutive, and he came to UFA at a full scholarship. But that was diving, not swimming. The university does have an entire facility dedicated only and only to swimming. So, there is a pool for us.
Right.
And then there's a pool for those athletes.
Wow.
So yes, the university has, and with respect to engineering and sciences, I would say my roommate for the first year, he was another Mumbai chap. Now he had citizenship of the US. So you can think कि उसको FAFSA भी मिलता with respect to other great universities. With an SAT of 1560, he's at University of Arizona with 100% scholarship, just like me in the honors college.
Lovely.
His sister is doing her graduate program from Yale, but just I'm sharing with you to show that there is students in all ends of the spectrum at the university.
Any questions for Anil's mother? Anil's mother है क्या? किस हो गई मैडम?
नहीं, sir.
Can I talk to her?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Just a minute. She'll join, sir.
I have guided 22,000 students in my career. Kunal's mother is one of the larger doting mothers. Okay, the most difficult one to live without a son. Her son next to her. So we will try to understand from you, madam. I forgot your first name.
Hello, I'm Kirti.
I'm sorry?
I'm Kirti
Kirti.
Shamdasani.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Kirti ma'am, how difficult it is to have son going so far away, and he has been with you for 16 years, so you were quite used to having him around, and now he's not around. So how does it feel?
what to say. But इसके जाने से पहले yes, definitely मैं बहुत ज़्यादा skeptical थी. I was thinking because he is the only child.
Right.
तो मुझे बहुत लग रहा था कि how will I manage, क्योंकि वो अकेले कभी नहीं रहा है, मैं उसके बगैर नहीं रही हूँ. लेकिन honestly speaking कि जब वो चला गया and every day he talks and मुझे नहीं लगा कि कोई भी एक दिन उसने बोला होगा, जैसे you were asking I can't manage,
Right.
कुणाल कभी तुमको लगा, तो उसने मुझे आज तक almost a year complete होने को आया है, अगस्त में ही went, उसने एक बार भी ऐसा नहीं बोला कि मम्मी आई एम नॉट हैप्पी, मतलब एंड ही इज डूइंग एक्सट्रीमली गुड देयर. तो वो सब देख के आई फील सो सैटिस्फाइड कि नहीं वो खुश है तो आई एम आल्सो हैप्पी हियर.
Wow, that is so amazing. So amazing. So all the worried mothers in this room, when you see your children doing well,
Yes.
सब बाकी फिजूल हो जाता है. Everything
Yes,
else becomes
yes.
फिजूल. बराबर है कि नहीं?
Very true. नहीं, he is doing good. I'm very happy for him.
Okay. Anagha, I never share the email IDs or LinkedIn profiles or Facebook profiles, and I publicly tell Kunal also, Kunal, you will not accept a single LinkedIn or Facebook request, okay, that comes from people whom you don't know, okay, and I will request you to refrain from contacting him. You can always contact me, you can always contact any one of us, but ये बच्चे ने अपना टाइम दिया है, उसको ज्यादा परेशान मत करो. I never encourage this one-to-one. मैंने खुद कभी हमेशा ट्रांसपेरेंट रहा हूं, 200 बच्चों के सामने खड़ा रह के बोल रहा हूं कि दिस इज व्हाट आई टॉक. सो जो करना है खुले में करो. डोंट आस्क फॉर ईमेल आईडीज और ट्राई टू कॉन्टैक्ट, बिकॉज इट लीव्स द सैंक्टिटी ऑफ द थिंग. फिर वो बेचारा आंसर करते रहेगा क्योंकि ही फील्स वेरी क्लोज टू मी, तो ही थिंक्स दैट ही इज डूइंग इट बिकॉज ऑफ द रिस्पेक्ट फॉर मी. मुझे उस चीज से चिढ़ है, तो यू नो आई डोंट वांट दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग टू हैपन. Vedant Kulkarni, criteria for 100% scholarship is to quietly study for SAT right now. Okay? सबको एक ही चाहिए रहता है कि मेरे को स्कॉलरशिप, मैं हूं. The reason why you have come to me is this. So trust me, you are not enquiries, you are enrolled students. So leave it to me, I will do it for you. If you don't mind sharing, can you please tell us your SAT score? 1440. Yes. 1440 is his SAT score. Okay,
And
so
looking back, sir, with respect to SATs, every 20 points on the SAT makes a difference. So 1440 is different from 1460, is different from 1420.
जरा सुनो भाई लोग, ये सब बेवकूफ बेफिजूल सवाल पूछने से अच्छा है SAT का स्कोर इंप्रूव करो. और 20 addition to your SAT may increase your scholarship by $5,000, Kunal, per year.
Yes. And I only did the SAT once. And I had only one opportunity to give it. I had no tutors backing me. I had nothing. Only free resources and a borrowed book from a friend. That's it.
So, bhai log, concentrate on your SAT. Get a good score. And only focus on that. बाकी मेरे को स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगा कि नहीं उसके बारे में छत को देख के सोचते रहेगा. If you keep looking at the ceiling and dream about whether I will get or not get scholarship, and you will do not get on SAT, that will be a waste of time. That's very nice, Rohan. Rohan is my brightest kid of this year's batch, Kunal. He says, can you talk about some mistakes you should avoid as a freshman year student?
It's a good question, and I understand where it's coming from. You know, as a student, you want to know what to avoid beforehand. But Rohan, unfortunately, everything for everybody is so subjective that only once you come here, your mistakes you'll realize at the end of the year, and you'll make them. And honestly, you'll be better for the fact that you made those mistakes, because you'll improve from them and you'll make sure that you don't repeat them. Now, I would say that one of the common mistakes students end up making is ki they only socialize, or because they are let alone, in an environment that they are not comfortable with, or at least not familiar with. I wouldn't say comfortable with. They end up being more social. So just keep your motto, whatever you have come to achieve here, keep that in mind. Keep that as the larger picture, and whatever mistakes you'll make. That's part and parcel of the process.
Okay, Harsh Negi is asking, sir, I remember you saying something in last Saturday's session about SAT's importance in state of California. No, Ray, I didn't say anything like that. You must have misunderstood it. Adrian, my friend, is asking, what is the reasonable good score in SAT? Adrian, I will answer this question. Reasonably good SAT score is 1600. And a reasonably acceptable score is 900. As an institution, I get students with a score of 900. I get students with a score of 1560. Okay. Abhi, because I know this family and they are very close to me, they are not going to misunderstand me. Okay. Kunal ka score is 1440. Khushi, can you wave your hand, please? Khushi Wadhwani. Right. Now, Khushi Wadhwani is recently started with SAT preparation. Suppose Khushi ka score aata hai 990. So am I going to say Khushi is not a good student? No way. मैं खुशी को भी कुणाल के जितना ही अच्छा करियर दूंगा with a score of 990. As long as Khushi tells me that Mr. Shah, I really tried very hard and I got this score. You understood my point, Khushi? Now, don't take me wrong, okay? I don't know whether you will get 990 or 1400 or what. I will give the example of my own daughter. My own daughter got a score of some 980 or something. Now, does that mean that I hate her? No way. And today that she has already graduated and working in Arizona, very close from Kunal, in a lawyer's firm as an intern, दुनिया की बैंड बजी हुई है, लोगों को मिली हुई इंटर्नशिप कैंसिल हो गई है. कुणाल ने भी मुझे बताया कि उसको समर का जॉब मिला था, वो बेचारे का कैंसिल हो गया, और मेरी बेटी को एक लॉ फर्म में इंटर्नशिप मिली है. द एंटायर स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी इज सरप्राइज्ड कि तेरे को ये कैसे मिल गया. नाउ द रीजन इज बिकॉज शी फील्स दैट शी कैन डू इट. So it is not that 980 का बच्चे को मैं बोलूंगा कि मैं तेरा काम नहीं करूंगा, मैं तेरा काम और बढ़िया करूंगा. तुझे बस मुझे इतना कन्विंस करना है कि even for that 980 score, you worked for that score. So after working really sincerely, Khushi, if you get 980, I will happily work with you. And if I feel after you getting 1450, if I feel that you could have done better, I will hate you for that. So your job is to get the highest SAT score that you are capable of getting. Sarang, I have already answered this in detail. Okay, so we had a long meeting. It started late, but it went very well. Okay, so Krishna, I will answer your question, बच्चे. I will decide your university. Everybody, तुम्हारे universities मैं decide करूँगा. तुम लोग नहीं decide करोगे. Okay. So, Kunal, the only way that I can thank you is by telling you that you made 600 people end their day in a beautiful way. यही तेरे लिए मेरा thanks है. आज का तेरा पूरा दिन नशे में जाएगा कि तूने आज 600 लोगों को एक बढ़िया ending of the day दिया. So, your effort is your remuneration bol, ya your reward bol, ya my thanks bol. Your participation is the reason of my thank you, and your participation is the way to thank you also. You just made 600 people feel very nice today. Be it parents, be it students. You made me feel, as usual, extremely proud of myself first, क्योंकि मैं सबसे अच्छा अपने आप को लगता हूँ. Okay. and I say it that I always, अरे वाह विशाल भाई, घूम फिर के आ गए. He's another. ये very very dear friend. तुम लोग ना बच्चों को पूरा मेरे हवाले कर दो दोस्त लोग. ये दो बाप लोग बैठे इधर, दोनों ने कभी पूछा नहीं मेरे को, कोई सवाल पूछा नहीं. जो मैंने बताया वो किया, और दोनों ने जरा भी खोट नहीं खाया है. So all the 200 students' fathers, please be like Anil Shamdasani and Khushi Wadhwani के पीछे जो पर्पल शर्ट्स में बैठे हैं, विशाल. कभी इनके साथ में मैं I will tell you how you people are my Mercedes Benz and Ferraris. Yeah, when I look at you, I feel so rich, Anil. Honestly, मुझे लगता है कि मैं इतना अमीर आदमी हूँ क्योंकि मेरे पास अनिल शामदासानी है, मेरे पास विशाल है, मेरे पास all of you are there. I don't need any material belongings. You are my biggest wealth, genuinely. And you make my life so beautiful, all of you. Make the right lessons out of it. I could have given you so many tips on time management, and I still want to. So probably next Saturday, we will continue with the time management session. Anil, thank you very much. Kirti madam, thank you very, very much. And I'm so happy that I made you into a very, very proud mother. You were always a very doting mother. Now from doting mother, you have become a very proud mother. And Kunal, my guarantee to you कि हम मास्टर्स करने को स्टैनफोर्ड हार्वर्ड के लेवल के यूनिवर्सिटी पे जाएंगे, और उस टाइम पे वापस तेरा इंटरव्यू रखूंगा. एंड ऐसे ही एक बच्चे का इंटरव्यू करके दिखाया मैंने मॉडल, एंड लॉट ऑफ देम वेर देयर. One of my student called Kaustubh Shinde went to Arlington with 90% scholarship and went to Austin for his master's with 100% scholarship, and today working in Amazon. So Anil, एक और बार पैसा देना है आपको in the 3rd year of his degree, okay? And I'm going to manage his entire master's education अपने हाथों से. One more thing, did I tell you that you have to download the FACT app? Did I tell you this? No? Okay. All the parents and students, okay, we have developed the FACT app, FACT Academy app. Please download it on your Android phone. Right now it is available only for Android. It is not available for iPhone as yet. So I will be sharing the link of the app on the group. Please download that app. Vishal, we had a wonderful meeting and it is recorded also. So I will share the recording with you. This recording, how I want you to use this recording. The best way to use this recording is car stereo mein dal ke, when you are driving, you can listen to it. Okay. It is not something which is worth sitting and gluing. It's not a thriller movie जो आपको उतना ये देगा, बट कभी गाड़ी चलाते वक्त ये वो, you know, you can listen to this recording and do it. Thank you very, very much. I don't have words to thank Kunal. Kunal, would you like to say something?
No, sir. The only thing I'd say is ki, if I was able to, you know, bring students and their parents closer to their decision making, I'm that much happier for it. So it was a very nice session. Sorry for the delay. I had some
no problem. You more than made up for it. Anil, you want to say something? Mute.
Blindly. Okay.
Thank you.
Everyone, just blindly trust Sunil sir. Just be blind. Our children are yours, sir. I mean, I'm so happy that I met you. It was a coincidence that we met that day.
Yes.
But I'm so happy that I met you. Kunal would not have been where he is today if it was not for you. No.
I really appreciate that. Yes, you may be surprised कि ये कैसा हो सकता है, that I know Anil from his childhood and we met accidentally. वो अपने काम में बिजी था, मैं अपने काम में बिजी था. हम दोनों एक ही शहर में रहते थे, तो कभी मुलाकात नहीं होती थी. कभी होती थी तो उसका काम मैं नहीं जानता था, मेरा काम वो नहीं जानता था. एक बार मैं ऑफिस से घर पे पैदल जा रहा था. 22 साल के मेरे करियर में मैं ऑफिस से घर तक 2 बार पैदल गया. उसमें से एक बार मैं पैदल जा रहा था और सामने से ये मियाँ बीवी दिखे पैदल आते हुए. हम दोनों गाड़ी वाले लोग, लेकिन उस दिन हम दोनों पैदल थे. अच्छा, अनिल वो रास्ते पे क्या कर रहा था? You don't know how life can be weird. अनिल उस रास्ते पे उसकी बीवी को खाना खाने के लिए रेस्टोरेंट पे लेके जा रहा था। अभी आप पूछो अनिल अपनी बीवी को रेस्टोरेंट क्यों लेके जा रहा था? क्योंकि अनिल अपनी बीवी को लेके निकला एक शादी में जाने के लिए। तो खाना तो शादी में खाने वाले थे, तो शादी के हॉल पे पहुंचे। शादी के हॉल में पहुंचने के बाद मालूम पड़ा कि शादी सुबह की थी, शाम की नहीं थी। तो उसने सुबह की शादी को शाम को जाना, और वो शाम को जाते वक्त मुझे रास्ते में मिलना, और उसके बाद उसको ये समझना कि आई कैन बी अ बेटर कोच फॉर हिज सन। इससे बड़े कोइंसिडेंसेस तो साला वो मनमोहन देसाई के मूवीज में नहीं होंगे यार। Right? So this is how life can be beautiful. So until next Saturday, boys and girls, next Saturday for time management. Everybody is saying thank you to Kunal. Thank Kunal, you really made their day. All the best to you. Of course, we can call Kunal anytime if you want, any tips and all that kind of thing. Thank you very much.
No problem
Bye-bye.
at all.
Good night.
I'll speak to you later. Bye.